If your iPhone X is running slow and if you want to make it faster, then the easiest thing what you can do is to simply restart your iPhone X. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes the issue. The next thing what you can do is you can clear the RAM of iPhone X. For that one, go to settings, go to general, accessibility. Under this, select assistive touch and enable it. Since I don't have an home button in iPhone X, so I have to enable this assistive touch button. Now again, go to settings, general, scroll down, go to this shutdown option. Now once you see this screen, what you do is tap on this assistive touch button and tap and hold on this home button for few seconds until the iPhone goes back to the normal screen. Now in this way you have cleared the RAM of iPhone X and it should run faster. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.